So my coworker came to me this morning and he said, "Hey, I just bought a new set of screwdriver and I had it delivered at work. I just got it and here it is. Check it out." I say, "Yeah, okay." I check it out. At work, we use screwdriver a lot, and we always share screwdrivers all the time. And then you do want to have your own set of screwdriver because it's just way more convenient. And I thought he just bought a set for himself. It looks really nice, all aluminum, lots of bits, but it's one of those really small ones for more delicate work, for cell phone repairs and stuff like that. At least it looked like that. And then he say, "Yeah, it's an electric screwdriver." I say, "Whoa, that's cool," because it is very thin, compact style, the screwdriver, and it's electric. I say, "Okay, that's really cool." So I take it out, I put the bits on. It feels really nice in my hand. I wanted to use it. So I asked the guy, "How does it work? How do you select for it to go clockwise or counterclockwise?" And all of that. And he say, "Oh, well, just turn the power on." I turn the power on. That's the only button I see. And then I asked him, "Hey, electric screwdriver like this for delicate work, when they had too much torque and perhaps damage whatever it is that you're trying to fix, say a cell phone screw or stuff like this," to say, "Yeah, no, don't worry about that. Just turn it on and check it out. You'll see." I turn it on. I had no idea how to make it go clock or counterclockwise. So I asked the guy, "How does it work then? Do I just press the button?" And he said, "No, that's not how it works. Just turn your hand." I turned my hand. It just went the direction that I turned my hand to. I said, "That's really cool." And then what's even more cool is how much you turn your hand, that's how much torque you'll get, how much RPM that you will go. And I said, "Well, that it's a really cool screwdriver. Must be expensive." He said, "Yeah, it's not cheap." And he said to me, he said, "Hey, you probably want to make a video on this screwdriver." Saying, "You bet your ass I like to make a video on this." So I said, "Yeah, of course I would like to make a video of it whenever you have a chance to let me borrow it. I mean, you just got a screwdriver today." And yeah, obviously, naturally, here it is. This is the Arrowmax SES Pro Smooth Motion Screwdriver. And obviously, without further ado, let's take a look at this thing. A really simple and nice mechanism to take it out. It feels pretty premium and smooth, even though it is an aluminum case and it is a plastic holder for all the bits and the screwdriver itself, but it feels really premium. And to take it out, it's quite simple. Just push it out. That's pretty good. That's the screwdriver itself, and there are many bits. Look at that. That's a pretty good set. And then every single one of them is magnetized right onto the slot that it belongs to. So it's really easy to take it out and put it back. I mean, look at this. I just push it down and push it down. I take it out, put it back. It just stick right back because it's magnetized. So yeah, that's a really thoughtful. I thought that's a really good design. So once you turn it on, you'll see the battery level, screwdriver mode and all that. And then the light will turn on. And this screwdriver is charged by Type-C connectivity. So that's always, good, modernized. Okay, so without further ado, let's pick a bit. I think this will do. And I got a PS3 controller here. This is a very dusty PS3 controller. Look at that, it's kind of gross. I had no idea it's that dusty. It's been put away for a while, but now I shine the light on it. It's so dusty, but whatever. Yeah, so okay. Let's just get right to it. So once you put it in, okay, that bites. You push the button, and then you just go with the direction of your hand. Let me see. There we go. The more I turn, the faster it goes. The less I turn, the less it goes. I think you'd be able to hear that. Did I even take the screw out yet? Let me just... Yeah, it's already taken out. What the hell is going on? Yeah, that one's a lot easier. It's magnetized, but I guess my screw doesn't really want to come out. It's sort of stick. That's not a good demonstration. Let's put that back. How about this? Much newer. Alright, this should do a lot better. I just take this one out. Okay, so let's do it again. I turn. I press it. I turn. There we go. You kind of need to get used to it. It's nice and neat. Okay, it comes right out. Look at that. That's nice. So let's screw it back in. You just turn the other way. You have your hand turn the other way. And we go back in. I don't think I'm doing this right. Okay. There we go. Just have a little bit stronger motion. And then you'll screw right back in. Let's try it again. That's not enough torque, so let's do a little bit more torque. If you just turn a little bit, it doesn't have enough torque to go. If we turn a little bit more, like this, it'll go on high RPM and then way more torque to take the screw out. So that's how this thing works. Obviously, you just mess with it a little bit, you'll get how it works. Okay, you really do need to kind of get used to how it works. Let me just see. Okay, yeah. I guess it's good. It's a really neat idea, but does it have enough torque to actually unscrew anything that's a bit more difficult? Let's just take a look at the specs here. So here I found a review from Gadgetgram, and just to understand how this Arrowmax SES Pro Smart Motion Control electric screwdriver works, let's just take a look. Apparently, it has a 32-bit processor in it, and it has a 3-axis gyroscope in it. So what's happening is, as you press the button and turn, the gyroscope in it recognizes your motion and turns the screwdriver. Pretty neat idea, smart. And yeah, for the most part, it works pretty well. Okay, so that's how it functions. It is aluminum alloy material, so then no, it feels premium, it feels quality. And what else? Well, I want to find the torque. Okay, here it is. So the screwdriver's torque is up to 2 kilogram force per centimeter, I guess. So yeah, I already load up a converter because I don't know what that means. I want to show you something. Okay, this is my Xiaomi electric screwdriver. This is my Xiaomi electric screwdriver. It also uses the Type-C connectivity for charging. And this one, it has a 3.6 volt power input. And yeah, so according to the internet, this screwdriver has 5 Newton meter of torque. Okay, 5 Newton meter. As you can hear, it's not the biggest screwdriver or the strongest, but no, it is that great for this size. Now 5 Newton meter. All right, for a compact enough screwdriver like this, but it's not for, it's not for precision fixing or anything like this. Okay, so let's just compare something like this compared to this. Let's just look at the size difference. This is not a a power tool kind of big screwdriver or anything like that, but just to get an idea. This, you'll go through just about anything that's screwed on. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so original unit will be what is it called again? Kilogram force per centimeter. That's it. And then convert it to the Newton meter. Okay, so remember now, the Xiaomi one, it's 5 Newton meter, and this one is 2 kilogram force centimeter. And 2 kilogram force centimeter equals 0.196 Newton meter. So according to this is way weaker compared to the Xiaomi one. So it's not a screwdriver for huge amount of torque. So what that means is this screwdriver is most suitable for, as I said in the beginning, precision works, like repairing things like perhaps a watch. Let me see if it's got small enough bits for the watch. Repairs. Maybe repair watch, repair things like a cell phone, to open a cell phone, stuff like this. I just think it's pretty neat where you would just go slow. I turn more, you go faster. Slow, fast, slow, fast. Yeah. I just think this is a very innovative idea to make use of something so mature like gyroscope and microprocessor. A gyroscope, it's in our cell phone, it's in our game controllers, it's in so many things, and then we've seen how they function so nicely for their purpose. And yeah, you put it in a screwdriver, make it effortless. Yeah, I must say I can't wait to see what other improvements that they will make to the screwdriver for the next iteration or something. But yeah, this one is pretty awesome. And just let me put this one. This one is pretty awesome. This is a nice package to go along with the aluminum case. Yeah, this is really cool. Just like to show you about this. How practical, you really depending on the person, since I never seen this before. Maybe it's not as practical for me. Maybe it is. Alright, so anyway, that'll be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.